Over the last couple of years, ICT is one concept that has picked up like wildfire. And there is a very good reason for that. I myself came across ICT very recently. I did not know about him, maybe a year or two back. But since then, I have studied his work and I have learned that it is full of trading wisdoms that can take your trading to another level. Now, I myself have been teaching my own complete trading framework for well over 8 years now. But I have found that there is a place to integrate and incorporate some of the ICT principles to make the complete trading framework even more complete. It will be even more mind blowing as it has already proven for so many traders, and it will help you improve your profitability at the same time maintain your peace of mind. Now, if you are interested in learning how ICT and complete trading framework can be integrated, how they differ, what they actually are, then watch this video till the end and give this video a thumbs up. The algorithm likes it. I was trying to find out like what is the fundamental difference between, let's say, CTF and ICT, because the concepts are similar, the logics are similar, but the references do not match up. So when I kind of just put this thought in my head and then shut my conscious mind off, I came up with an answer. The answer is very nice actually. So when I looked at it, I understood that CTF looks at balances. The whole CTF is based on balances moving higher, whereas the ICT focuses on imbalances most of the times. They are more focused on imbalances. So if I have to tell you the trend has changed or directional bias has changed, to be more precise, I need acceptance below this micro balance. Whereas ICT will be looking at, let's say, this imbalance. And the moment we start accepting below this imbalance, for him, things change. Now, obviously, I have not reached a level of expertise in ICT, which I can claim for CTF. But this is the fundamental difference is that ICT is looking at imbalances and CTF is looking at balances. For me, as a CTF trader, if I am taking out the last balance, that is when the directional bias changes. Whereas for ICT, it is this. Makes sense? The logic is the same. Logic is the same. Like I need the prices to go below this and accept, right? So if this is the extremes of this balance, I need prices to go below this and accept. It can come into it and get rejected. I'm not too strict on references as such. So is ICT. ICT will say that okay, he always say that wicks do the damage and the bodies tell the story. So he's looking at the closes and the opens and he's using them as more reliable expression of what the market wants to do. So are we. We don't want just one dip into the balance, and we are not saying that it's repaired. No, we want to cross it and accept below that. So maybe ICT's confirmations, ICT's trades will come much earlier than ours, but ours will have higher probability of success because we have more confirmation. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate it. Now, if you like the content that I have shared so far, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get updated about future videos I'm going to share on this channel. Also, if you like the content I'm sharing in these videos, then I am sharing a ton more in my free complete trading framework newsletter. The link is in the description. Please do sign up for the newsletter. It's completely free. I don't sell you anything. It's just pure knowledge bombs dropping on you every week. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.